Last time, when we signed the last card, it gave us this notebook as well as this scroll. So let's see what's inside of this scroll. So I guess that we have a set of instructions. Now let's see what's inside. In this piece of paper, we get to know what the iVerse is. It says that it's an imaginary cryptic world. We also get to know what this Omni is, and it is a command prompt. We have certain commands that we can use to get some sort of imaginary instinct. We can use it to make a special request, and finally to summon what they call 3 specific tangible command prompts: the creator, the Lucidator, and finally the D. Good. Let's write some commands. We will activate the iVerse and then we will get that so-called I-instinct. Let's continue. According to the instructions, once we close the Omni, those 2 commands will be executed. These 2 commands will be executed once I close this notebook. Oh, this brings back some Dragon Ball Z memories. Now I get why they call it imaginary instinct. It's as if something in my mind makes me see the world differently. Now I'm curious about those specific command prompts. Let's summon them. Okay. Good. Let's continue. This is the creator, and this is the Lucidator, and finally the D. The creator can generate any real-world object. Let's give it a try. If there's anything in my mind right now, there must be coffee. Let's create some coffee. This I-instinct makes me imagine some weird things. Good. The coffee is created. Okay. Now this is great. Here's the sugar cube. And here's the spoon. Fantastic. Folks, our coffee is ready to be consumed. Good. This green note can elucidate anything. It is called the Lucidator. In other words, it's an elucidator. Now let's try it. There is something I always wanted to understand, and let's give it a try. It's climate change. What is climate change?
When sun rays reach the surface of the Earth, some of them are absorbed and transformed to heat. Greenhouse gases like CO2 absorb and re-radiate some of this heat. Earth gets warmer when levels of greenhouse gases increase in the atmosphere. That's because more heat is trapped. Burning fossil fuels is one of the main human activities that caused the increase of atmospheric CO2 concentration. In 2016, planet Earth was 1.25 degrees Celsius warmer compared to the pre-industrial time. Climate change can be seen in the warming of the oceans. Sea levels are rising, about 3 millimeters a year. Snow and ice cover decrease in the northern hemisphere. Sea ice is declining in the Arctic. Further emission means further warming, and this should be taken seriously.
This blue notebook is called the D. It can be used to simulate imagination. Now let's give it a try. I have something crazy in mind. Okay, let's continue. This is a poker table, or pad to be more accurate. A poker hand is made of 5 cards. Guess what my favorite poker hand is? It's a 4 of a kind.